guys, and of course, welcome to my channel where we discuss building a bridge between your business ideas and of course, a successful business. If you guys are new, then welcome. I'm Tiana. And if you guys are returning, then of course, welcome back. And thank you so much for all the love and constant support that you guys are always showing me. Guys, do not forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn on that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload. And of course, give this video a huge thumbs up. Y'all, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the first way that you can make money in your business is by having a contract. So there are multiple types of contracts and there's different people that you can do contracts with. So the first type I want to talk about is a government contract. There's an entire process of how to be certified to become a government contractor, but that is also possible. Or you can do a contract with a private company. You may need a lawyer to write the legal documents for the contract, but once that is done, then you continue to get paid for the duration of the contract. The second way for your business to make money is through investments. And yes, guys, contrary to your belief, you can actually own assets for your company without ever using them. For example, if you do have a building, then you can rent it out instead of using it for your own physical location for your business. Another type of investment is investing in the stock market. In the stock market, you will invest into other companies, and it does not necessarily even have to be in your industry, and you will gain some equity in those companies. Also, another great investment is subscribing to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I post informational content so that you guys can continue to invest in your education. The third way for your business to make money is through coaching or consulting. Guys, there's probably something that you know better than the rest of your counterparts, or probably something that you may consider yourself an expert in. So go ahead and start getting paid to share that knowledge. And by the way, guys, I believe that I'm an expert in the YouTube algorithm. And guess what? I have found out that by giving this video a huge thumbs up, then it definitely helps them get ranked higher on YouTube. So go ahead and do that for me, please. The fourth way that your business can make money is by having a digital product. Guys, listen, it is 2020. Why do you not already have a digital product? You need one. You really can get paid by making something one time. Digital products are pretty much similar to passive income. You put in the upfront work, and then after that, you just start getting paid just based off of promotions, which is a lot less work than you put in initially. So make sure that you guys have a digital product. A great digital product to have is online courses, and you can create online courses through Udemy or Thinkific. The fifth way for your business to make money is through crowdfunding or partnering with a business incubator. Crowdfunding is a great way to fund new ventures, or even if you want to innovate new products in your business, then you can definitely go to a crowdfunding source. A great source for crowdfunding is Patreon. Also, business incubators is a great way for you to network with other entrepreneurs and also to find business partners or mentorships. Some great sources for business incubators are eFactory, CSI Kickstart, and 500 Startups. If you guys know any other business incubators or crowdfunding sources that can be useful to other people, go ahead and comment that down below. There's space for everyone to win, so make sure that you are sharing your knowledge so that we can all grow and learn together. The sixth way that your business can make some money is by blogging, vlogging, and podcasts. Yes, you can do all three if you want, but you can monetize on all three of those. And also, another key highlight about all three of those is that you can build brand awareness. Also, you can convert the podcast and vlogging into a subscription base. So you can use Patreon to do that. And let's say that you want to have $1 per monthly subscription, then you can charge $1 per monthly subscription. And if you have 4,000 subscribers, then you can make $4,000 every single month based off of the content that you post. Also, for blogging, you can use Google AdSense, and also you can do that for vlogging, and that's actually what they use here on YouTube to get monetized. The seventh way for you to make money in your business is by diversifying your product offering. Yes, guys, you need to add to your product's mix. This is so important because though you may be targeting one segment of the market, there are different audiences within that segment. So you want to make sure that you have a product offering that contributes to everyone's wants and needs. So for example, you may want to make sure that you have a lower product range. You want to make sure that you have a medium product range and a higher product range for those who need every single thing that you offer. And then some people just don't need that, so they're not willing to pay a premium. So it really does help you to get more customers. So guys, thank you for those who commented down below and said some of the good sources for them to get funding. Also, thank you to those who have went ahead and subscribed to my channel and turned on that bell notification. And of course, thank you to those who have given my video a huge thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate all the love and support that you guys are always showing me. Guys, I cannot wait to see you all soon. Bye!